Hey guys, I want to welcome you. We're here with Garden Gnomes ETC, and kind of have to look at my collar. I know some of my videos are like this and this, but what do you want from a landscaper? I'm not trying to bring it from the landscaping type of thing. This is more geared for the homeowner, somebody who wants to put something special that's quick, easy. Something like this might take somebody maybe an hour to put in, probably about 5 minutes to set in place, 10 minutes to fill up with water, and then kick back and relax for the rest of the time. But anyways, this here is just another one of 4 of the patio, small patio ponds that we have to offer with the Everything Waterfalls, like I said in previous ones. By having all this on our landscape, and believe me, having almost 50 years of water gardening and all the experience of the different polymers and stuff that I did professionally, these things are the ultimate water garden stuff. It creates quite an impact that was never really there before for your landscape. This here, let's go through some of the parts for this. This here is one of the small ones. It's the Small Rock Waterfall 008. When you buy a kit, what's going to happen with it is it will come with a tubing which gets connected to here. It will have a specific pump, because each one of these will have a different flow rate. It comes with a rock cover to, of course, cover the rock. But a lot of these are going to be underneath. But some of these you're going to have to turn around and get this the way you want it. So I kind of like this. You can always bring it back, and then you're going to have to put a couple blocks back here to hold this in place. But by tweaking it and shimming it in different places, you can get the different water flow that you want to have. Some of the other cool things that we brought is the options. You don't have to take them. They're there to promote some of the other things that you may not necessarily know we have, such as these pot rocks. Very cool. You'll have to fit it to some of the pots that you buy your plants in. So some of these are for smaller type plants. You can get into some of the bigger ones, and we even have some that take some bigger size pots. But with the realm of trying to fit everything in of a small patio pond, of course we're going to offer these in collection, pot rock collections, where you're going to have just a few, 3 of them that would correspond to a smaller type patio. Another thing that we have is these real cool accent rocks that you can see. We have a few of these. Of course, these are bigger type that would go for the medium one. We have some smaller specific ones. Again, they're collections. And if you want to go outside of the collection and say, hey Dave, I'd rather have this, this, and this. And then the objective to do the different collection is trying to include some of these. So when these are shipped, they're easily put inside. And the shipping might be a little bit more, but I'll pick that up for you. But it's trying to make the most out of your shipment. Another thing, I know these aren't included in the smaller ones, but you know what? These are awesome. These are floating logs. You don't have to float. I mean, even though they're designed to float, these are cool to have going across an accent rock. Maybe you have it crossed over like this. But a lot of times when you put it against here, and I'll show you how to do this in a later thing, is how to put different lights underneath this so we can shoot lights in different directions. Maybe we have one into the water. Maybe we can bypass and skim off of this rock and hit a couple of your accent rocks. We can do it the same for the, but you can see the value, you can see the different options that we have. I mean, we're the only ones that do this just because we have the ultimate waterfall experience through Everything Waterfalls. So that's one of the things that we can put value back into, not only the Everything Waterfalls, but the Garden Gnomes, and also our supplier. It's trying to make a lot of different creative things for your garden, because everybody has their own specific waterfall. Some like more of the cascading, some of them like the dramatic type of fall, but there's all different types of things that we can do with these. for what? Your patio, your deck, and beyond. As far as anything, this here has been a big hit for a lot of your natural parks, for kids, schools, because it makes one heck of a patio pond. You can put a waterfall to it, and the kids love these things.